Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of half and half pizza. That is 2 pizzas in one and without maida. Let's get started. Take half cup warm water in a bowl. It shouldn't be hot. Add 1.5 teaspoon sugar and mix till it gets dissolved. Then add 1 1/4 teaspoon yeast. Gently mix for approximately 5 seconds or so. Cover and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the process of yeast activation, and after 10 to 15 minutes the yeast should get activated and should become like this. If it doesn't happen, then the yeast is not good, probably expired. Don't go ahead with the recipe. With the activated yeast, let's prepare the dough. Take 1.5 cup whole wheat flour, that is गेहूं का आटा, regular roti atta, and add salt. Mix well. And now add the yeast mixture. Mix it really well, and after mixing, add little water as required and make a medium soft dough. Keep kneading the dough for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. After kneading the dough, apply some oil on top. This would prevent the dough from drying out. Cover the dough and let it sit till it doubles in size. This would take 1 to 2 hours depending on the temperature in your region. To make quick red pizza sauce, take 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup. And to that add 1 tablespoon chili sauce. You may add 1 to 2 tablespoons chili sauce. Then grate 1 small to medium sized tomato. So divide the tomato into half and take 1 half, grate it, and then take the second portion and grate it. Next, add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using a garlic mincer. If you do not have this, just finely chop the garlic and add. Then add 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes and half teaspoon any ready-made pizza or pasta seasoning. These are very easily available these days. Then add 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil or your regular cooking oil. Mix well. Add a very little amount of salt. Mix well, and our red pizza sauce is ready. For the second part, let's prepare the green sauce. So bring some water to a boil and add approximately 160 grams spinach. So 150 to 160 grams spinach. Boil it for 2 minutes. After that, take it out and let it cool down. You may run some cold water, but I'm not doing it. Transfer it to your mixer grinder jar, but make sure you let it cool down before you grind. Then add 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, and grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the paste to a pan and heat it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon any pizza pasta seasoning, and little salt. Mix well. Cook till it slightly thickens and add 1 teaspoon ghee. Our spinach pizza sauce, that is the green sauce, is ready. Let's move to the next step. The dough has risen well and has become double in size. Now I'm going to knead it for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now sprinkle some atta and roll it. You can use your fingers, but I'm using a rolling pin, that is balun. And this is the pizza plate I have got, and I'm greasing it with some oil. The diameter of this pizza plate is around 8.5 to 9 inches. Spread the pizza dough in your pizza plate like this. We have prepared 2 different types of sauce, so I'm going to apply one on one side of the pizza and the other one on the other side. And that's how we're going to make half and half pizza. So the green one on the other side. Next, I'm adding mozzarella cheese on both the sides. Do not use cheese right out of your freezer. Let it sit on your kitchen counter and become soft and then only use on the pizza. And then I'm adding 1 processed cheese cube, roughly chopped. On the veg pizza side, that is the red side, I'm adding some onion, some capsicum, tomato, and some boiled sweet corn. On the other side, that is the green side, spinach side, I'm adding paneer. There is no need to fry the paneer before adding, but if you want, you can do that. And some onion. And next I'm adding some red sauce and green sauce on top. I'm going to bake this in my OTG today, but you can bake it in a kadhai or pan. Instructions are given on the screen. To bake in OTG, preheat your OTG or convection at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Check after 15 minutes. If done, take it out. Look at the beautiful pizza. So it has 2 pizzas in one pizza. You may drizzle some extra virgin olive oil if you like, and some chili flakes and oregano or any pizza pasta seasoning that you have. Then just slice the pizza and enjoy it with your family and friends. The same way you can make many combinations. Is there any combination you want me to try next? If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!